Welcome to the Intuitive Hour with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. We're talking today about running energy. As you know, running energy is a simple yet powerful technique you will be using in your daily life and your psychic development as you go forward in an effort to maintain clarity, peace of mind, and to stay in tune with your higher self. You've read a little bit about running energy, and you know that the underlying premise is that there are two fundamental energies available to us as humans, one being the feminine earth energy, and the other being the masculine cosmic energy. Today you're learning that running energy will help you to become more aware of these subtle yet powerful energies and how to balance them, as well as how to ground in the earth energy and open to the cosmic energies. I want to ask you to notice your breathing. Not necessarily changing it, just noticing it. Each time you inhale, imagine you are inhaling relaxation, peace, ease, and contentment. On the exhale, imagine you are releasing, you are letting go, and you are relaxing even more. Next, move your attention to the base of your spine. And imagine there's a grounding cord running from the base of your spine down through the chair you're sitting in. This goes through the floor and into the earth, through the crust and all the way to the center of the earth. Also, now imagine there are energy centers or chakras in the bottom of each foot. Ask the feet chakras to open, and imagine that from the bottom of each foot, an auxiliary grounding cord runs down through the floor and into the earth, all the way to the center of the earth. Earth energy. Let's talk about that. In the center of the earth is highly concentrated earth energy. Imagine your grounding cord as a hollow tube, and using your breath, begin drawing the earth energy up your grounding cords as you would draw liquid up through a straw. Earth energy is the feminine, nurturing, magnetic energy of the mother. It is often experienced as a warm, soothing, healing energy. Using your breath, imagine you are drawing the earth energy up your grounding cords, up your central grounding cord to the base of your spine, and up your auxiliary grounding cords to your feet chakras. From the bottoms of your feet, draw the energy up through your legs to the base of your spine, where all three grounding cords come together. The first chakra or energy center is located at the base of the spine. We call this your root chakra. Your unconscious mind knows how to open the first chakra, so allow it to now fill with warm, smooth, healing earth energy. The first chakra has to do with survival. Just above the first chakra is the second chakra. Open and draw the earth energy up into the second chakra. Warm, nurturing earth energy fills the second chakra now. The second chakra has two parts. The lower part has to do with sexuality. The upper is the center of emotions and gut feelings. When the second chakra is full of earth energy, bring it up further to the solar plexus, to the third chakra. Open and allow the third chakra to fill with warm, feminine, healing earth energy. The third chakra is called the will chakra and relates to our sense of identity and our will. It's where we feel who we are and what we want. Now, draw the energy up into the center of your chest, to your heart. Open this fourth chakra, the heart chakra, and allow it to fill with warm, nurturing, healing energy of the earth. You can open this chakra all the way. Make it as wide as your whole chest if you like. The fourth chakra is the center for love, both giving and receiving. Draw the energy still higher into your throat, your fifth chakra. Open and allow the fifth chakra to fill with warm, smooth, healing earth energy. The throat chakra has to do with communication and with our clairaudience ability, the ability to hear psychically. Drawing the earth energy up into the center of your head, the pineal gland, the third eye. Open the sixth chakra. Allow your whole head to fill with the nurturing, feminine earth energy. The sixth chakra has to do with knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. It is also the center for clairvoyance. At the top of your head is the seventh chakra. It's called the crown chakra because it faces up and opens out like a crown. Open the seventh chakra now and allow the earth energy to fountain out the top of your head and cascade down all around you. The seventh chakra is where we will link with cosmic energy. You now have earth energy from the center of the earth coming up your grounding cords, up through your major chakras, and fountaining out the top of your head. The earth energy falls down all around you like rain. Cosmic energy. With your earth energy running, reach up toward the sky now and bring down the clear golden light of spirit. The spirit energy is different than earth energy. The spirit or cosmic energy is more masculine. It's sharper, more intense, much like electricity. Bring the clear, golden spirit energy down through your crown and into the sixth chakra in your head. Bring the spirit energy down through the fifth chakra in your throat. The clear golden spirit energy mixes in your heart chakra, now with the earth energy in just the right proportions for you. This clear golden light brings a message of love and acceptance from Spirit. Now, bring the clear golden light down your solar plexus, where it says to the third chakra, "You are good, you are well, just as you are. Your desires are good. Your will is totally and completely acceptable." Bring the clear golden light of the cosmos down further to your second chakra, where it says, "I love your emotions. Your sexuality is good." Bring the light down now all the way to the first chakra. Here it says, "You belong here. You have a purpose." When the cosmic energy has come down through all of your chakras, send it down your grounding cords and ground it to the center of the earth. You are now running the two major energies in the universe. The feminine, magnetic earth energy is coming up from the center of the earth through all of your chakras and fountaining out the top of your head. The masculine, electric, spirit energy is coming down as clear golden light through all of your chakras and grounding in the center of the earth.